I'm working in a folder called Photos that has a lot of subfolders. As a matter of fact, I'm trying to build out a test collection of my photographs taken over the years. In my hard drive, these photographs occupy almost 1,600 subfolders. So far, I've only created about 160 subfolders in Screencast. Now, if I want to navigate to a subfolder, I can do it using the master UI here and then scroll, of course, or search using Control F to some extent. However, the biggest problem here is that the titles are all truncated. In order to see the full title of most of these, I have to select the subfolder and have it load. Then I can read what the subtitle really is. Let me go back. So at the minimum, you need the ability to hover the mouse over one of these guys and have a pop-up display the full name. Having to click and navigate seems unnecessary to me. As a better solution, right now you're using, looks like call-out objects to hold the titles that are going across here. Maybe you should just make these all the way across and have a simple vertical line of guys. That way you can have really long titles and quickly scroll to find the one you're looking for. This approach this way is, I don't think, very user-friendly. Also, if you open up the master photo folder in the listing here, you have a whole bunch of subfolders displayed. Here, the titles at least can be displayed using a pop-up, and that is helpful. And you can also use the search function, Control F, to find the date. Let's see if we can find, let's say 1977. Probably there. Let's scroll down, and there it is. So that's helpful. And you can find it over here sometimes, but if it's off the screen, you're not going to see it. So I think this needs a little reworking. It would make using this a lot easier. Now, another issue related to this is that I really need to make collections out of each of these subfolders because I want to share access to these photos with family members. I can't really do it practically because, as best I can tell, you cannot create a subfolder in collections. Now, if I scroll down, you can see I have a bunch of shared collections, but I have one for photos here, and I currently have no media in it, and that's because, as a practical matter, I can only really put one subfolder's content at this level, and I don't have the option here to create any subfolders, which is what I really need because collections of all my photos under one collection folder here would be completely unusable. I have about 30,000 photos I'm trying to share. So what I'm saying is that really need the ability to add subfolders in a collection.